I can't wait to ufike kithi emagcekeni uShanel noma ubuye esipani ngikuphekela ufike uKhathel. Hey, I have a crush on you. I have a crush on you. Funa siphila impilo soba two. And please cela uvume tu. Cause mina
I have a crush on you.
Namhlanje ngise Times Square, but Times Square yaseThekwini, not in New York, sir. As you can see, ngihamba la kwi Road of Fame. Greetings, hello, hi, and welcome to the show. Igama lami nguSine Ngwakanene. But of course, ngoba wena vele ngiyakwazi ukuthi umuntu right oseyintweni uVP yasemhlabeni. Then you get to call me Auntie Wama 2000, and welcome to Select Africa TV's I Have a Crush on You. Remember, we are now on season 3, all thanks to you and your support. So namhlanje I'm out and about in Durban, Kolka Banana, njengenjayelo ngizodlala indima yami yokuba matchmaker njengoba kuhlale ngenza ke. Today umuntu asibhalele on the show uNtuthuko uthi ucela ukuthi simsize athole uAsiphe ukuthi abe igirlfriend yakhe because he loves her so much. So hopefully uAsiphe uzokwazi ukuthi asiphe indlebe, but angagcini ngokusipha indlebe. Aphinde asiphe futhi uthando lwakhe nenhliziyo yakhe ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi uNtuthuko angene ngaphakathi ayilocate right here phakathi inside. So please follow me so that you can be the judge of that. And speaking of which, also follow us on social media and remember to subscribe to this awesome channel right here on YouTube if you haven't done that already. Drop your comments down below usitshela ukuthi ufila kanjani ngeepisode namhlanje, and remember to share the link with your friends and family members nama colleagues akho ubatshela ukuthi Select Africa TV ila iphopha khona. If you'd also like to be a part of the show ube ngala kweLens nam la eceleni kwami, then please do make sure that you write to us on the email address down below usitshela ukuthi uba lo mfunayo wena bese nathi sikwenzela iqiniso sikusethe ngoba Select Africa TV setha okwamanje ke asambe siyosetha uNtuthuko noAsiphe uke ngimodela ngiyabasetha la ekhaya.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguNtuthuko wakanyathikazi. Ngibhalele kule show namhlanje ukuzocela lo muntu lo engambona ebhasini ukuthi ngicela bandla angifunisa uthando lapho ngoba ngambona angachazeka. So ngizocela namhlanje ukuthi bangisize kule show ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngicine ngixhumana naye bakwazi ungilungisela into zami phakathi kwami naye.
Sino sisinahlangana ebhasini iyasho epatini lengoma iscoop. Okay, ngiyadlala usisi nakhuluma
Sakhuluma naye WhatsApp
wathatha inamba
wathatha inamba khona ebhasini kodwa bengakam approach yabo manje
saxoxa nje small talk
lesaxoxa nje.
Okay, so you haven't seen her since sokhuluma ebhasini?
Bengakazi ngimbone since lokho ngigcina nje ebhasini, but benginesifiso nje sokuthi ngiphinde ngimbone ngimtshele indlela engizizwa ngayo.
Alright, so yini yachaza ngosisi wathanda nje ngoba
la sisi lo isimple into engachazeka ngayo ke nomoya phansi umuntu obukekayo, and ngibona ngathi nje singakwazi ukuphilelana mina naye ngoba siyatholana yabo nje ne-conversation yami naye yayiqhubeka nje yabo ngoba kuphuma ebhasini ngangasathani kahle kahle.
Oh, sifuna ukuhamba lo wehla la ehla khona
phela yabo
hayibo Ntuthuko
ngasengichazekile phela mfethu yabo. So yeah, ngasho nje ukuthi lokho into engayithanda ngamoya wakhe nobuyena nje yabo umuntu osimple.
Abantu abaningi abafika la on the show abantu besilisa bahlezi bethi uthanda umoya wakhe, and mawuthi wabheka usisi oshiwoyo unomoya ophansi.
Yeah,
nesho ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi kahle kahle abantu besilisa bayithandela umuntu ophansi.
Yeah,
Thina nje abamemezayo abaphaphile ingathi indaba yethu nje vele
I out phela.
Okay, cool. So usisi uthanda ukuthi i-relationship yenu going forward ibe kanjani? Ufuna ukuthi nithandane vele kwangempela noma you just wanna get to know her niba bangani qala, or you're ready to settle down, or you just wanna smash and pass? Like ama-intentions onawo ngosisi athini?
Mina ngokwami inhloso zami ngaye ukuthi nje ngoba phela ngibonela umakoti mina yabo yize noma phela ngeke ngize ngisho isiphanga ngomthatha kwa same time, kodwa nje uncane nje ngithandile ngaye kukho kuningi yabo ngoba umuntu ochazayo manje yabo. So ngingasho inhloso zami ngaye ukuthi nje sithandane mhlawumbe leso sikhashana mhlawumbe sonqamuka kunqamuka khona kodwa nje sizame nje mhlawumbe leso sikhashana yabo, kodwa nje ngeke ngize ngisho smash and pass kodwa
awuzenzi lezo zinto.
I know ngidla lezo zinto.
So usukhulile phela vele usungadlala amagame anjalo. So usisi yini ongathi mawungambona namhlanje ikudisappoint kuyena, mhlawumbe ugcina usuthi usufuna ukukhansela i-date, yini nje omincile ukuthi ungayifici kuyena i-personality yakhe nendlela azoyiphatha ngayo today kwama-date?
Since siphambi kwamakhamera nje mhlawumbe oqala nje mhlawumbe uhlapha ngadini mhlawumbe siphambi kwamakhamera ngibizele emakhamereni mhlawumbe ngizombonisa nomhlaba, kanti awukho kanjalo yabo indlela engizizwa ngayo nami ngiyasaba. So ngapho ngicela ningisize nje yabo singithole nje leyo thuba ukuthi kumazi sazane yabo sithole bobudlelwane lobo mhlawumbe ogcine evumile nakhona.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you? How excited are you?
Hey, in a scale of 10 mhlawumbe ngisho ukuthi nervous ba mhlawumbe ngisho scale of 8.
8.
Yeah, 8.
Akufani.
Akufani.
Akufani, at least ukhona uthuwoselo ongekho nervous ngawo so siwenza lo thuwoselo.
Okay.
Can I bring her out? Are you ready to see her?
Yeah, anginankinga bese ngiready umbona.
Alrighty, let's do this. You are about to see the lady that stole inhliziyo kaNtuthuko. Ngiyathemba ukuthi mase bekhulumile bo2 kuzoba nentuthuko. Bekwazi ukuthi you know phinde khambe kahle. So stay tuned in ungayindawo. Still tuned in to I Have a Crush on You right here on Select Africa TV, and on my left on my left is uAsiphe Thini and semdala for, but it is what it is. Hello Sisunjani. Ngiyaphila segama lami usine ngiqhamuka kwi-company ekuthiwa Select Africa TV. Igama leshow esiyenza la I Have a Crush on You. So before I even explain what's happening, firstly I want to thank you for availing yourself and giving us isikhathi sakho. I always like to assume ukuthi people are busy, so I'm assuming ngalesikhathi ozengaso you could be doing other things, but you are here, so I truly from the bottom of my heart appreciate that. Thank you. So the reason why I asked you to come outside today kulelanga elishisa kanje is because there is a guy othi you stole his heart and he'd like to confess ama feelings akhe anawo for wena. So uzokutshela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani. Angeke ngisho ukuthi mina uGayi ubani, but umuntu omaziyo and uzombona because he's around somewhere here, and mangisukuma mina la uyena ozohlala la, so you that you get a chance ukuthi nikhulume. But bengifuna ukuthi ngiqale ngikubriefe kanje so that ngizochecka kuwena ukuthi are you okay, can we continue, because I'm aware ukuthi akusiwo wonke umuntu all right nokuthi size nama camera and stuff, so I need to know ukuthi u right singaqhubeka.
Yani ngiyaqhubeka.
Okay, so ukhona umuntu obonana naye njengamanje nihlekisana naye. Ngifuna ukuthi ngisheshe ngiqolise kusa elimi ngabe khona because uzoshelwa phela la. Akekho. Ngibona ukuthi uqala ucabange mangithi khona bese
akekho because khona
ama talking stage here and there. Ophatha wabalekile ne. Okay. So lo muntu engize ngayeke uhlukile kuma talking stage akho ngoba uyimisele and ukwazi ukuthi athathe step so ukuthi akubonise ukuthi is serious about you, which is why alethe ne crew because ufuna ukubonisa umhlaba wonke ukuthi akafihlile, he's sure about lento azoyenza. Yabo bengifuna nokucheck ukuthi mhlambe wena mawujolile uyayuthanda abantu besilisa abanjani, do you have a type?
Ngithanda abantu besilisa like opholile ongathanda izinto kakhulu, ongathanda into nokuva, andimthanda into njalo hleze busy into njalo abenexesha lami siloko si right nje.
So mawuthi umthanda umuntu ohlale busy, you mean in terms of ukuthi umsebenzi awenzayo mhlawumbe uhleze semsebenzini or uhlale ngekho esestratweni negroove?
Okay, ananda bakumaye emsebenzini.
Okay.
Isikhathi se-friend benazo but nelami ixesha libe khona, like ama-weekend mengaphangela abantu bobonakala ba ukhona.
Okay.
Sibe ndawonye.
Okay. Yini ongayithandi in a guy othi nje you are hoping ukuthi lo muntu engiza naye mina manje akanayo lento othi awuyithandi?
Andimthanda into hleze edakiwe njalo.
Ooh, I feel you. Do you drink? So you don't mind dating umfana ophuza as long as angahlali edakiwe all the time? Okay. Mele sike senze party yami nawe. I also don't drink. Mele sishaye party yethu yama juice nje sidinga itafula kube kubi nje. Simema abafana nathi.
Yeah.
Cola ama juice. Braai, qolise nje ama drink nje sibe right.
Okay.
So are you ready to meet this guy? Are you nervous? Are you excited? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Which one? Which is which? Happy, nervous, excited?
I'm happy.
You're happy?
Yeah.
Okay. So you are ready to see this person?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Let's do this. I want us to see uGayi kanye and catch a reaction at Asiphe when the guy comes through. So stay tuned in. Don't go anywhere. This is only getting started.
Oh, njani Asiphe?
Yaphila njani?
Yaphila first now first uthukile.
Hayi uthukile bengalindele.
First ungathuki first kakhulu first nje kulapha ama camera nje first mhlambe ngase ube khona lo nervous yabo. Kodwa nje esibengibhalele esikule show first le la ekhaya. Uba first angisiyazi sengagcina namba yakho first ebhasini wanginikeza and siyakhuluma first WhatsApp. Yeah, first so manje sengihluphayo wena first incane yabo. Ukuthi manje angikwazi ukuyikhulumela kahle WhatsApp bengase nje bese ngakubona. Izeke noma phela mfethu yawo umuntu ohlala ubusy namhlanje ngithole kahle yabona. So ngiyajabula sikwazi ukuthi ukuphumelela. So first inhloso zami first ukuthi ngibhalele kule show le namhlanje ukuthi nje first ngizokubriefa kancane first kahlahle first sizasuthi ngithatha inamba yakho first kwakumayelana nayo yabo so namaqinisweni na asiphi first ngakubona kuthanda yabo so manje futhi lokhanya first sikhuluma mina nawe first yabo manje nami so singasahlala kahle ukuthi lo muntu first ngamanje ngambuka ngamthanda indaba first lokhu ngiyibambezela ngilokhu ngibuza usuku lakho nayo yonke lento leyahlangana so first ngingasho nje bese singakubonga kuthanda umuhle umuntu nomoya ophansi kuningi bese ngachaza ngawo yabona smile namazinya uthotho futhi ngaphezulu yabo so ngingasho nje mamusi ngakubonga nje ngachazela nje impela so bengazi ngempela ukuthi ngithola leli thuba lokuthi first ngize ngithole leli thuba lokuthi first ngikhulume nawe kodwa ke kona ke emampeleni nje nasemaqinisweni first ngingasho ukuthi bengifisa ngathi mina nawe singaba mthunzimumo sikwazi sithola ithuba losizazane akunaye mina wamaye umuntu engizwana naye yabo ngiyazi angazi kubuza khona umuntu ozwana naye yabo kodwa ke angazi bese khona singethatha kanjani kodwa izathu nje bese singilethela ukuthi nje bese bengifisa ukutshela indlela engizizwa ngayo ngawo yabo yazi mhlawumbe kusa first for lo kodwa ngithola senginemizwa bese for ukukhuluma kwethu khona njalo into ehlala mhlawumbe unawo usimongawe first mhlawumbe ngisayiphela ngibe first ngiphendule fast yabo so njengoba umuntu nje first wawuye emsebenzini ngalo la suku hlangana ebhasini and ngiyazi umuntu ofisa olodwa emsebenzini suka ngibriefa vele kancane so ngithenye bese ngithathe lithuba namhlanje size la kule show ngikwazi nje bese ngizokutshela bese indlela engizizwa ngayo ngabo ngoba manje saphile kahle kahle ngathi ngalokho ngibona sixoxa khona first umfundi eqamba manga wangipha nje ithuba lokuthi first ngithole leso sithubana lokuthi mhlawumbe ngikwazi kancane mhlawumbe yabo uyakhumbuza first azange sikhulume okuthini okuningi kodwa nje lelo thubana nje first ngasho nje first ngachazela yabo so manje angazi mhlawumbe uthatha kanjani konke lokho kodwa nje first emampeleni bengifise ngathi mina nawo mama singaba mthunzimumo yabo
sonke lesi sikhathi sowuhlula ngisho umuntu ayiphela nje sokaze umbize namakhamera
awu face
awuyigwala kodwa
nangaphandle kwalokho khona bese yabona bese umuntu mawumthanda bese yawenza ngazo zonke indlela bese ugcina imtholile yabo so bengithi nje ngithatha lithuba nje bese nami ngithi yabo ngicele nje la bese bangizame phela futhi yabo ngithi ukubona yabo lapho umuntu ungalile kwazi umhlaba wonke uthi ungalile kodwa ke phela ngiyazi mhlawumbe ngeze kufike lapho yabo
yeah
kodwa nje to be honest nje first hayi akuthanda phela and kuningi first ngisafuna first idlule kukona mina nawe yabo mina nje uyazi sengiyachazela ngawo angisebenzi kodwa ibhola ngiyakhona into encane leli ngineza so ngiyathemba mhlawumbe singakwazi ukuphilisana ngalokho yabo angazi yona mhlawumbe uthi ucabanga kanjani ngalokho kodwa to be honest bese uthando liningi amehla agcwele uthando futhi uqamba ma
mina ke ngikhuluma iqiniso ndakuthanda for the first time but lokho lesesikhathi nginikeza inamba yami sincokola ngithi uyokhuluma hayi akhulumi ngithi hayi shuthi umngani ke wangithanda ukuthi be umngani wakhe manje ngiyothola bese ngibizwa lana bekuqhamuka wena futhi
bese ngiyaxolisa bese uthi uzithole kanje naye kodwa nje esu kuningi ngempela bese ngifise ngathi mina nawe singahlala phansi sikudikide ngithole nethuba elinye futhi ukwazi more yabo nalokho kwazi lokho esengikwazela kona yabo nanokuthi ke ngathanda into ezincane ngawo wangitshela wena ngane ngitshela ukuthi umuntu esebenzayo yabo so ngingasho nje bese angisho bese after yabo mhlawumbe something kodwa ngi-after uthando lawo
njani ya
angiphuzi mina
awuphuzi
ngiphuza
right nje umfundisi
awu bese kumfundisi njengawe okay acela ukushumayeza
ngiyaqala ukujola nomuntu umfundisi
awu bese umuntu ongaphuzi nisimfundisi ngakini awu bese ndokunye futhi njengoba ngishisa ngiyafuna phela ungifundise phela isiXhosa ukuthetha sithethe sobabili yabo ungasimothetha wedwa wena mina ngithule sithetheni
hayi ngizofundisa futhi kwayini Indaba bandithetha nje ulwimi lakho mandithethela ulwimi nawo uthethela kulwimi phela sovana kahle.
Mfethu ngajabula mfethu mase sikube kanjalo. Awu nje uqoka kahle namhlanje ngabe singiqala kuphi ukuthi ngikuncome.
Ngiyabonga.
Kodwa ngichazekile mfethu. Yawo.
Ngiyabonga.
Uyi-wife material ngokwawo. Mina ngumZulu phela. Ngumageba. Yawo. Yawo mfethu ngumZulu mina mfethu ngayithanda le ntombi le yasemampondweni. Yawo so
nizongichwenza ke ndithi hayi impondo phela nini mana nini.
Hayi no ngeke baze bayenze into ekhaya mfethu awu. Abamkhetheli umuntu yawo. Kodwa ke
phela phela soyikuqoma ngala wazi because bana into masithi hawu impondo.
So manje ngakini mfethu nalawo masiko lawo ukuthi umqomo umuntu ongasilona mhlambe ilowo muntu lolu hlobo olona mhlambe kanje.
Asinayo.
Okay. Hayi no mfethu ngiyakuzwa so bengajabula mfethu ngathi yabo. Ngasithola ithuba losazane. Nale conversation esibenayo mfethu izolo. Yabo ngingayithola sengibhalela la kule page la like bavele bathi angize namhlanje. Yabo khona sokwazi seshe siqede le. Yabo.
Hayi mina ngibona inkinga kade nokulindele lokho kade ngoba ayekuphumele sozodrayisa nje.
Njengoba uhlaluse na first mina ngathi ngiyiplayer nje first uyazi into engiphatha kabi kanjani first ngangitshe mhlawumbe usime ngabe ngithi ngiyaqala nje first ngiya-approach ngangitshe mhlawumbe uzokhana ungizela lo mqondo ukuthi ngiphi angisena as a player yabo ngiyiplayer as in like umdlalo
newe nesimile ngakhona ngoba but nami ngithi uzoshintsha ngokuya sikhuluma enzobe ngiyakubona because ezinto manje ngikubuza ngoba angathi ngithola ngani ukuthi bungifihlela na
first
khona phela nalo
first ngeke ngabi khona lokho first umshida mabe ufuna lowo muntu first yakayimisela yabo mina ngikwazanga ukuthola ithuba ngiyimisele mina ngeke ngacela nje sibangisize la ekhaya so ngazi ukuthi isatha kanjani okay le nto ngiyabona ngathi mina nawe siyazwana so ngazi bese mhlambe kuzokwenza kanjani noma mhlambe
sephinde siplane ke okwethu nje sobabini
sobabili sengekho umunye umuntu
abantu abathandanayo.
Okay hayi no siyajabula bese ukuzwa lo asingaphathana kahle
Ngokungiphazamisa
okay
ngizocheck ukuthi khamba kanjani khamba kahle
hayi khamba
sicelo saphumelela
hayi kubuya kanjalo bona bese
hayi ngibona indlela simqalaza ngayo ukuthi hayi nje kukulungela
ngeke phela umuntu omuhle yini
isho uzunjani sisona
Hayi
right uright ibhuteki kulethelele
alright but ngithuso bangazangiselana sonke lesikhathi kade ethuleni because siyancokola kumnandi but akade afikele kula ndaba ngiyabona ukuthi
uthi yena uma umbuza uthi indaba engakaze afike
sebesisa uzoqala ngayo
Anang nje uqalile namhlanje
phela sayinamaphakathi nini wena sekhona umuntu omele
but ikhambe kahle conversation yini
yabo right
ubusungithini impendulo ukuthi ngenzani and we have a new couple in the house.
yebo
Love wins all the time and all the time love wins and asinangijabulisa congratulations on your new love befuna nje ukuthi ukuthi khambe kahle yini so thank you once again for coming and ukuthi umuphi indlebe bandla naye in as much as uyakhuluma naye WhatsApp but I know ukuthi bungafika la bese hayi manje bungangitshela ngani WhatsApp abaphathi to that so thank you siyabonga ukuthi usithembe usibhalele uthembe thina nje ukuthi singakwenzela into njengale
singiyabonga sakho seningisizile nje sengithola uthando manje
suvukile nje
sengithola nami la ngizowazi khona ukuthi hawo mhlawumbe nginenkinga ngikwazi ukuba inkinga yami yabo
ngicela ukuthi bafethu next year ngalesikhathi ngiphinde nisimeme ishaye celebration ye-anniversary
angasafa
please senenzela mina ke
awuyinto encane le
ubala
uthini mama
hayi ku right nje kuhle
no nazo ngijabulisa thank you bengifuna ukuncheck ngicela ukungishiya
okay hayi
sabonga
date yami namhlanje ihambe kahle kakhulu so ngasho nje ukuthi ngijabulile yabo ngaye lo muntu enginayo asiphe yabo
idate yami namhlanje ihambe kahle ibe mnandi kakhulu ngendlela engalindelanga khona kuve kwahamba kahle nje
ngithandile namhlanje ngo-asiphe akazange abe lo muntu ebengilindele uzobuyena beyitshe mhlawumbe usimefike uzovela rasi yabo nami phela yabo lento bizongishayisa ngamahloni since ngimlese phambi ngomhlaba yabo phambi kwamakhamera into engithandile nje kuyena incala ukuthi ukwazi ukungipha ithuba nendlebe ukuthi yabo angilalele ukuthi kahle kahle ngithini yabo
into endiyithande ngontuthuko ukuthi konke lo bemane ekuncokola ku-WhatsApp sincokola as friends uyivezile kangabekho shintsho but uva wabonisa uthando lolu beveletsho nje kwa-right nje kwangulo ntuthuko endimaziyo.
Into engase ngiyithandanga ngo-Asiphe ngingasho ukuthi ayikho kodwa nje engikuthandile nje ngaye ukulula yabo ngoba umuntu owaziyo futhi ukulalela uma ukhuluma lento ebengimthandela yona vele iyona nje beyisobala.
Untuthuko akukho engakuthandanga ngaye cause nje ngumuntu oright nje konke akukhulumile newayebona bengakhona sihappy nje bekumnandi nje konwabisile.
Ngathanda ukuyisho namhlanje ku-Asiphe ukuthi ngiyafisa ngathi angipha nje ithuba lokuthi ngibe umuntu yabo ngibe indoda kahle yakhe yabo ngokuphelele yabo aphinda ngiphe ithuba lokuthi yabo ngikwazi umtshengisa ukuthi ngiyamthanda ngoba abantu besifazane bamanje abavamisile ukuthi bakuphi ithuba noma bakutshene bakuphi ithuba lokuthi ubatshengise ukuthi uyabathanda bavele babona sasodlala ngabo yabo so yeah ngasho ukuthi nje ilokho.
Untuthuko engakusho kuye njengamanje angashintshi cela angashintshi nawe no-smile ngakhona komsa ngathi umuntu othanda amantombazane but angathi angangashintshi ukuthi lento beyisho abe yiyona nje angangishintshela endleleni khona soqhubeleka phambili kuhambe kakuhle.
Uthando lungumanqoba and no angisho angikhulumi nge-ex yakho angikhulumi futhi nge-baby daddy wakho la. Mangithi uthando lungumanqoba ngisho ukuthi uthando luyinqobile inhliziyo ka-Asiphe wakwazi ukuthi asiphe ithuba lokuthi ngempela untuthuko athole i-relocation azohlala phakathi inside enhliziyweni yakhe which is what we had hoped for mangabe saqala ishow. Thank you so much for being a part of tonight's episode of You. Please do remember it is season 3 right here on Select Africa TV. Igama lami ngusine ngwakanene into kwaziyo ngema umadlokovu usiyakomo imloyo but of course my VIP yasemhlabeni then you get to call me Auntie Wama 2000 and this is how I call it for today. We are signing out. Juices, but before I leave you, can I please remind you to keep following us on social media and also subscribe to this awesome channel right here on YouTube. Drop your comments down below and tell us what you think. If never one day we are trying to go to then please do the right thing or go to Spalele on the email address down below and we will find you and then we'll find your person and then we'll make sure thank you so much. Happy Tuesday. Good night.